So this is you guys' Facebook page. It looks like you guys have quite a few people that follow you, and you got some information on here. You guys was able to find your website. Going to your website, it looks pretty good. I like that you guys have pretty location-specific keywords in here, so your content is pretty good quality. It doesn't look like you have a lot of content on here. You have only 452 words. Google loves content. The more content you have, the better. So I would add some more content, but the content you do have, you got locations on here, which is good, and that'll help you rank for keywords that you want to rank for. When it comes to images, you want to make sure that you save your images with keywords in them as well, which you guys do, that's very good. That's what we like to see. So you guys are already doing that, so that's good. Going to Google. I searched hardwood flooring, Knoxville. Coming down, I found this competitor. I went to his website. This is what his looks like. He doesn't have a lot of content on his page either, so that helps you guys. And check and see what he saves his images. He doesn't save them right, so you guys are doing better than this guy when it comes to that. Putting you guys into Eros, which is a tool I like. Shows you guys have 131 backlinks, 61 referring domains, and you guys are showing on Google for 150 keywords, and you get 105 people a month, which is good. Your UR and your DR they're not all that good. But putting your competitor in here, he has 611 backlinks, 52 referring domains. He only has 86 organic keywords he's showing for. But his UR is better, his DR isn't all that good though. But we can come in here and see what backlinks he has. We can go after the same backlinks that he has. But we don't want to go after just all of them. We want to go after the ones that are the same, that are higher quality. We want to go for the high number ones, as well as specific to your industry. You don't want to get, you don't want to get fast food websites linking back to you. You want to get home design or home remodel or flooring websites, ones that are specific to your industry. So we can go after them. You guys already have some backlinks, so I'm assuming you know how to get them, but if not, you can go to guest posts, you can go to bloggers, you can get sponsors, get sponsor different places and have them give you a link back to your website. You can also pay people to get them. There's plenty of different options. They tend to be kind of expensive to get, and time consuming. But you can do it, and you're going to want to make sure you stay ahead of your competitor. You don't want them to catch you. Going and looking at this guy's keywords, we can also look at your keywords. But looking here, he's number one for this Hardwood flooring Knoxville. He gets 27 people a month. There's only 80 volume for that. Hardwood flooring Knoxville, Tennessee. You can see there's 150 people search that. It's got a 5 KD. I'm actually going to go see what you guys are ranking for, because I think you might already be ranking for some of them. Yeah, you guys are number one for that one. So that's where you guys get most of your traffic. You get 48 people from that one. So that's good. That's very good to have that. But we can come down, some of these ones that you're not ranked one for. We can come after those. Hardwood refinishers, Knoxville, Tennessee. You're number 5 and 4. We can try to boost you up and get you to the number one spot there. It's only a 20 volume a month, so it's not going to give you a lot more. But, we can come down, look at some of these other ones, hardwood flooring. You're number one for those. Let's see something. Let me try to find something that you're not number one for that has good volume. So it looks like hardwood flooring refinishing, Knoxville, Tennessee. Number 4 for is 30. That's 5 KD. The lower the KD, the easier it is to rank for. The faster you'll get there. But we can come in here and look for all kinds of different ones. I'm sure there's some that we can find. Looking at your opponent, your competition, just looking different ways. I don't know if you're ranking for this or not. I don't remember seeing an 80. Oh, there. Never mind. I do. You guys are number 2, you know. The top one might be a directory there. But I think come in here and try to grab the ones that you're not number 1 for, or the ones that have good volume and that you want. The next thing is the GMB. You guys are actually on there. You guys, so it looks like you guys know about it, and you guys got a bunch of good reviews, so that's good. Looking at yours, you want to make sure it's 100% filled out. It will tell you it'll tell you a percentage when you go to look at it, and the more photos, the better. It looks like you guys have a bunch of photos, but for the GMB, photos are content. I used whitespark.ca to see you guys had 30 citations. The guy I pulled up only had 4. But the more citations is another thing that ranks for a GMB. You can get, you don't have to stop at 30. You can go get a whole bunch more. But those are just directories. We can see the ones that you have. And we can Google and find a whole bunch more. You got LinkedIn, Facebook, Yelp, all these ones. There's a bunch more out there. A bunch of them are free. Some you have to pay for, but might as well just go grab some free ones. It just is time consuming. I'm sure you guys already know because you've done it for 30 of them. Yeah, it looks like you guys are actually doing pretty good with this. You got your GMB out there. You're ranking first for a lot of stuff. There's obviously some stuff that you guys, some keywords that you guys could go find. Ahrefs isn't, you could do a 7-day trial for $7 on there if you wanted to look for keywords yourself. But yeah, hopefully I was able to give you guys some tips that you didn't know and that could help you out. If you want, we can set up a phone call or a Zoom to talk more if you're interested, but up to you. Hope you guys have a good rest of the day. Thanks for watching.